Now coming to page number 14, example 8. Show that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. So for proving this problem also, we choose the contradiction method. To the contrary, let us assume that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Here the statement is we have to show that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Here we choose a statement against the true statement, that is a rational number. 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. You know that every rational number can be expressed in the form of p by q in its simplest form. So I wrote the statement, so we can express 5 minus root 3 in the form of p by q in its simplest form. So that is 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. This is our assumption. That's why it can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p comma q are co-primes. Co-primes means p q having the common factor 1. So that's why they are co-primes. Now transpose the root 3 value from RHS to LHS. So similarly transpose the p by q value from RHS to LHS. So it will be 5 minus p by q equal to root 3. So that is, if you do the LCM here, q is LCM, that is 5q minus p by q equal to root 3. Children, you observe that here there is no root value, and in the RHS there is a root value. So this is a rational number because pq are integers. So if you do the if you take any integers in the places of pq, and if you simplify this, you will get a rational number, and this rational number is equal to the irrational number because root 3 is irrational number. So this is impossible. A rational number is not equal to the irrational number. Okay, that's why our assumption is wrong. So I wrote here, since p and q are integers, that's why the value of 5q minus p by q is also a rational number. So that's why LHS of the equation 5q minus p by q is rational number. So if it is rational, this one is also rational because these two values are equal. So the RHS root 3 is also a rational number. But this contradicts the fact that is root 3 is irrational, because you know that root 3 is irrational. So this result opposes that fact that is root 3 is irrational. So this is contradicts the fact that is root 3 is irrational. So our assumption that we assumed that at first that is 5 minus root 3 is rational was wrong. So we conclude that 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. It is not a rational number. Hence proved. Okay.